Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you a best alternative for this Neutragena Ageless Intensives for years, but recently they discontinued this and I am forced to look for the alternative. So if you're like me who are looking for the alternative for this serum, then stick around. Let me tell you why I use this serum. Keep my acne off and my skin texture smooth. So, and this does this very well. It has kept my acne off for years now, and it is non-greasy. It has a very light formula, and I cannot apply any moisturizer or anything. My skin is very sensitive, but with this one I cannot go wrong. So that's the only reason I'm using this. I'm going to share with you a best alternative for this one. So I have found this Ordinary Retinol 0.5 in Squalane, and this is a 0.5 intensity or whatever you called it. But if you're already using this, then your skin is tolerant to use this intensity. They also have in 0.2%, and if you want to start using it, let's compare the ingredients. So these both products are serum that contains retinoid. They've got a total of 4 ingredients in common, and they both do not contain any harsh chemicals like alcohol or parabens or sulfates, and that's why I really like this product here. And both are very effective in fighting the acne, improve the skin texture, and also fade the dark spots. Now let's compare the consistency. So here, this is the Neutragena serum, and you can see it is more like a gel based, and the Ordinary serum is more like a liquidy, and it is more like a oil type of consistency. So here you can see the difference. Now if I spread it and even it out and wait for some time, we can do the absorbance test, like how it looks actually on the skin. So I just spread it out, and let's see after a few minutes. So here both of them have a even consistency as far as the absorbency rate. They are both absorbed very well into the skin, and they are non-greasy formula. So I really see no difference in their consistency and the formula. As far as on the skin, it is non-greasy, both feels the same. So let me know in the comment box what you think about it, if you're using it already, and what are your thoughts. And check out the description box. I have also listed some other alternative for this Neutragena Ageless Intensive Serum. So check the description box. And I hope you really enjoyed this comparison, and let me know in the comments if you want me to do more comparisons. And I'll see you guys next time with another simple video. Till then, bye bye.